Hi guys, today we talk about what is Ethereum and how does it work. Ethereum is often referred to as the second most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. But unlike Bitcoin and most other virtual currencies, Ethereum is intended to be much more than simply a medium of exchange or a store of value. Instead, Ethereum calls itself a decentralized computer network built on a blockchain technology. Let's unpack what that means. How does Ethereum work? Like all cryptocurrencies, Ethereum works on the basis of a blockchain network. A blockchain is a decentralized, distributed public ledger where all transactions are verified and recorded. It's distributed in the sense that everyone participating in the Ethereum network holds an identical copy of this ledger, letting them see all past transactions. It's decentralized and that the network isn't operated or managed by any centralized entity. Instead, it's managed by all of the distributed ledger holders. Blockchain transactions use cryptography to keep the network secure and verify transactions. People use computers to mine or solve complex mathematical equations that confirm each transaction on the network and add new blocks to the blockchain that is at the heart of the system. Participants are rewarded with cryptocurrency tokens. For the Ethereum system, these tokens are called Ether. Ether can be used to buy and sell goods and services like Bitcoin. It's also seen rapid gains in price over recent years, making it a de facto speculative investment. But what's unique about Ethereum is that users can build applications that run on the blockchain like software runs on a computer. These applications can store and transfer personal data or handle complex financial transactions. Ethereum is different from Bitcoin in that the network can perform computation as part of the mining process. Seth Can from Director of Education and Development at the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. This basic computational capability turns a store of value and media or exchange into a decentralized global computing engine and openly verifiable data store. Ether and Ethereum. What's the difference? You can use Ether as a digital currency in financial transactions, as an investment or as store of value. Ethereum is a blockchain network in which Ether is held and exchanged. As mentioned above, however, this network offers a variety of other functions outside of the Ethereum network and also be used to store data and run decentralized applications. Rather than hosting software on a server owned and operated by Google or Amazon, while the one company controls the data, people can host applications on the Ethereum blockchain. This gives users control over their data, and they have open use of the app as there is no central authority managing everything. Perhaps one of the most intriguing use cases involving Ether and Ethereum are self-executing contracts, or so-called smart contracts. Like any other contract, two parties make an agreement about the delivery of goods or services in the future. Unlike conventional contracts, lawyers aren't necessary. The parties code the contract on the Ethereum blockchain, and once the conditions of the contracts are met, it self-executes and delivers Ether to the appropriate party. Ethereum and Bitcoin. Bitcoin's primary use is as a virtual currency and store of value. Ether also works as a virtual currency and store of value, but the decentralized Ethereum network makes it possible to create and run applications, smart contracts, and other transactions in the network. Bitcoin doesn't offer this function. It's only used as a currency and store of value. Ethereum also processes transactions more quickly. New blocks are validated on the Bitcoin network once every 10 minutes, while new blocks are validated on the Ethereum network once every 12 seconds, says Gary Dewell. And future developments could speed up Ethereum transactions even more, he notes. Thus, there is no limit in the number of potential Ether tokens, while Bitcoin will realize no more than 21 million coins. How to buy Ethereum? It's a common misconception to people who are new to the Ethereum network. You don't buy Ethereum itself, that's the network. Instead, you buy Ether and then use it on the Ethereum network. Given Ethereum's popularity, it's very easy to buy Ether. Pick a cryptocurrency exchange. Crypto exchange and trading platforms are used to buy and sell different cryptocurrencies. Bybit, Binance, and Kraken are a few of the larger exchanges. I recommend the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. You can get bonus $600 per registration. Register now. Takes only 25 seconds. Deposit and claim bonus. Link below. Deposit fiat money. You'll need to deposit cash like dollars in your trading platform, so link your bank account or debit cards to fund purchase of Ether. Buy Ether. Once you've funded your account, you can use the money to purchase Ether at the current Ethereum price along with other assets. Once the coins are in your account, you could hold them, sell them, or trade them for other cryptocurrencies in the future. Use a wallet. While you could store the Ether in your trading platform's default digital wallet, this can be a security risk. If someone hacks the exchange, they could easily steal your coins. Another option is to transfer coins you aren't planning on selling or trading soon into another digital wallet.